principal, teachers, my fellow students and the nation of Pakistan. Assalamu alaikum. Today the topic of my speech is Kashmir. To start off my speech, I would like to share a quote for freedom. Freedom is the oxygen of the soul. Fellow Pakistanis, today we stand at the precipice of history with the fate of Kashmir hanging in the balance. The cries of our Kashmiri brothers and sisters echo through the valleys and mountains. Their voices hoarse from screaming for freedom and the right to oneself. Kashmir, the land of breathtaking beauty, where the majestic Himalayas meet the serene lakes and rivers, a land that has been aptly described as heaven on earth by people. From the snow-capped peaks of Gulmarg to the picturesque valleys of Srinagar, Kashmir is a paradise whose beauty cannot be described enough with words. A paradise that has been ravaged by the brutal occupation of India. We remember the day when Kashmir was forcibly occupied, when the Indian army marched into the valleys and the Kashmiri people were subjected to unimaginable atrocities. We remember the sacrifices of our forefathers who fought against the occupation, the countless martyrs who have laid down their lives for the freedom of Kashmir. But despite the occupation, oppression, and slavery, the Kashmiri people have never given up hope. They have continued to resist, to fight, and to dream of a free and independent Kashmir. And we as Pakistanis are committed to supporting their struggle, amplifying their voice, and to fight for their rights. The occupation of Kashmir is a wound that festers, a sore that refuses to heal. But we will not let it fester, we will not let it heal, we will rip off the bandages, we will expose the truth, and we will demand justice. We will not be silenced by the oppressors, we will not be deterred by the obstacles. We will rise up, we will speak out, and we will fight on. For every Buranwani, for every Maqbool Butt, for every Kashmiri martyr, we will honor their memory, we will continue their struggle, and we will achieve the dream passed on from them to us. Kashmir will be free, Kashmir will be independent, and Kashmir will be Pakistan. We will make it happen, we will make it now, and we will make it together. Kashmir banega Pakistan, inshallah. To end my speech, I quote Allama Muhammad Iqbal, liberty and freedom are blessings that can be truly appreciated only by those who have lost them. Thank you.